So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve the problem count the substrings. So given a string S, the task is to count the number of substrings which contain equal number of lowercase and uppercase letter. So let's discuss with an example. Let's say we are given string geek. So if we consider substring, what is a substring? Substring is a contiguous part of string. Okay. Next thing what we want? We want this contiguous part of string to have number of lowercase and uppercase letter to be equal. Let's say I am considering like GE. So number of lowercase letter are 1, that is G, and number of uppercase letter are E, that is 1. So they are equal. So that means this is one of the substring which follows these conditions. So answer will be +1. Similarly, if I take EK, K is smaller, E is greater, 1 is upper, 1 is lower. Okay. Next, if we consider this full string, 2 are lowercase, 2 are uppercase. So upper are equal to lower. So this is also valid. Okay, so we have 3 substring here. So how can we process question? So basically this question we have to done in the brute force approach in big of n square. So it's really easy to generate every subarray and subarray or substring we can say. And every subarray and we check count the number of lowercase and uppercase letter. And if they're equal, we do answer plus plus. So let's say if I consider from index number 0, let's say I am at index number 0. Now I got W, that is upper will be equal to 1. Now I got O, that is lower is equal to 1. So is upper is equal to lower? Yes. So WO is a substring that follows this condition. That is number of lower and number of upper are equal and it is a contiguous string or we can say substring. So answer will be equal to +1. Okay. Now next time I will go to M, lower will become 2. Next time I will go to M, it will become 3. Next time I will go to E, it will become 4. Next time I will go to N, it will become 5. Next time I will go to S, it will become 6. Upper is not is equal to lower till now. Now I will go to D, it will become what? It will become 2. Upper will become 2. Now it will become 3. If A will come, next time it will become 4. So nothing is found. So that means the number of substrings that is starting from the 0th index are taken. Now let's start from the 1th index. Let's take O. Lower is equals to 1. Okay. Let's take M. So let's take M. Lower is equals to 2. Next take E. 3. Now N. 4. S. 5. Now I will take D. So upper will be equal to 1. Okay. A. Upper will be equal to 2. Let's take Y. Upper will be equal to 3. Not equal. So similarly, if I come to let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I will go to main index. Let's say I go to 5th index. So 5th index is S. I will take S. Lower will be equal to 1. Okay. Now I will take D. Upper will be equal to 1. Now they are equal. So I will say this is also a valid substring. So answer will be equal to +1. That will become 2. Now, similarly, I can do this thing many times and I will do answer plus plus. So it's normal. I will start from every index and from every index, I will check every substring and do count plus plus for lower and upper. And if they're equal, I will do answer plus plus. So let's code it up. Let's say initially my answer variable is 0. Now I will start from the 0th index. So let's store this as the s dot length and let's start from the 0th index and go until n. And for every starting, that is the substring starting from the ith index. So I will take every substring and now what I will do, I will check if let's create two variable lower is equals to 0 and upper is equals to 0. So I will say if is upper, it is an inbuilt function, or you can take like if si is equal to sj is equals to greater than is equals to a, or sz less than is equals to z. This is also possible. Okay, so I can say if this is upper, I am using inbuilt function, I will do upper plus plus. Else what I will do, lower plus plus. And what I will do, if lower is equal to upper, what I will do, answer plus plus and add then return the answer as it is. Just easy question. Let try to compile in the code. We can remove these extra brackets for making the code smaller. And let's try to again compile in the code. Now let's submit the code. Yes, so it's totally working fine. So this was all about code. Thank you and have a nice day.